Look, we are landing now, is it? It's the airport, we reach Hong Kong already. I can see lots of lights there. That's Hong Kong. This is the airport. Hong Kong International Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Hong Kong International Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until the aircraft comes to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Please ensure that all your mobile phones are still off until you have reached inside the main terminal building. Do take care when opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all hand luggage with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Omar, Captain Jeffrey, and the rest of the crew members, thank you for flying with AirAsia and have a pleasant day. Setelah papan, kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang antarabangsa Hong Kong. Untuk keselamatan, anda diminta terus berada di tempat duduk sehingga pesawat ini telah berhenti dengan sepenuhnya dan tanda isyarat tali radar telah pun dipadamkan. Anda boleh menggunakan telefon bimbit anda di dalam bangunan terminal. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruang penyimpanan di atas dan sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, pastikan barang-barang anda dibawa bersama. Kami merasa bangga bersama dengan anda di sepanjang penerbangan ini dan diharap kita akan berjumpa lagi. Jika anda memerlukan sebarang bantuan semasa ketibaan, silalah berhubung dengan kakitangan kami. Bagi pihak AirAsia, Captain Jeffrey, Captain Omar serta anak kapal lain, terima kasih kerana minta penerbangan AirAsia dan salam hormat. Because people always get stuck easily like in London and faster. London also and then England also and then because they snow. How about Malaysia? No. Even Malaysia don't snow. Because what is it? Tropical country. Because Malaysia is a hot country, that's why. You know what tropical means? Tropical is hot. Is it loud? Yeah. Là hai thì là ai khổ. What Hong Kong is not tropical. Sometimes Hong Kong hot, sometimes Hong Kong is cold. So I also don't know what country is that. Huh? There will not snow, only be cold. Better wear a jacket for the very cold. You better wear a jacket. You can ride the train there, the train there. Tunnel, you mean tunnel, oi, tunnel. She said tricky, isn't it? Can we in the tunnel, the aeroplane? Let's go inside. How much? Small. Is that for the car? Yes. No, Hong Kong International Airport. Why is getting colder? That's Dragon Air. Huh? Why Hong Kong International Airport
Với cả cô dễ dễ không phải because it's December always been holiday, so it gets cold. Yes, it must get cold. Night time is cold. Morning is warm. Why slide? Good.